This is my setup for midship steering for crab trot lining going solo. You usually set the motor and gear a low idle and use the stick to steer the boat. Forward would be towards the left, and pulling back on the stick would go right, or in mariner's term, port and starboard. This is something I put together in my garage. I'll show it in operation in a minute. And also, I'll come around and do some close-ups. That plate had to be fabricated from scratch to go on the motor. As you can see, it's offset to one side, so there's a little bit of difficulty with that. This is the starboard side of the boat, and as you can see, this string here I set up goes back to the emergency cutoff switch on the engine. So if there's ever a problem, you can cut the motor right away and sort out the problem and then start over again. So as you see, I just used a double pulley here. You have to run that far pulley so that it gives the right steering setup. Another neat little fabrication I did was doing this at the bottom here so that I could move the steering arm. Here's how it works. And just so you know, if you do this yourself, I took a few hours of setup with just strings and pulleys, not using the cable or any finished product, just messing around with the location of pulleys, the stick, and etc. before I came up with the whole plan. And then once I did, I just took it slow and, you know, clamped the cable in place and, you know, until I was sure everything worked properly, and then I finished it all up and clamped everything up. I know I took it out the other day and tried it and it worked. Caught a bushel of crabs too, so there you go. Good luck with your project.